Hey, what's up guys? Let me show you how to enable this always on clock display on your iPhone's lock screen. Once you've enabled it, the clock along with the date will appear on the screen 24/7, and Apple claims that always on display uses minimal battery, so you don't have to worry much about the battery life. This is supported on iPhone 14, 15 and 16 versions. If you're someone who checks the time very often, this feature can be very useful for you, as you don't have to press the power button always to check the time. In the dynamic island, it shows that the phone is locked, and if you have enabled lock screen widgets, it will also appear underneath the time. So let me show you how to enable it. On your iPhone's home screen, go to settings. In here, scroll down and tap on the option display and brightness, and scroll down and tap on always on display. Here, make sure always on display is toggled on, and toggle off both show wallpaper and show notifications. This way it will not show the wallpaper and the notifications. So once you have locked the phone, you can only see the date and the time. You can also enable show wallpaper. This way it will also display the wallpaper along with the clock. I'm not quite sure to what extent the battery usage will be with the wallpaper enabled, and my personal preference is the minimalist look just with the clock display. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.